I have another listening practice video for you, and it's a slightly easier one. Well, I think it's slightly easier. Let me know if you agree or not, obviously after you listen to it. If you're new here, my name is Karen, and on my channel I help you close the gap between the English that you learn in the classroom and the English that's actually used in real life. So if you'd like to learn some more real life English, then make sure you press the subscribe button below and also the bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll play the file 4 times for you as per usual, twice at the normal speed and then another 2 times at a slightly slower speed. And just to let you know that there is only one man speaking in today's listening practice. And then afterwards we can study some of the words that he uses. Okay, let's go.
I've got 3 grandchildren. I want my grandkids to see a rhino, and it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them. I've got 3 grandchildren. I want my grandkids to see a rhino, and it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them. I've got 3 grandchildren. I want my grandkids to see a rhino, and it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them. I've got 3 grandchildren. I want my grandkids to see a rhino, and it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them.
I've got 3 grandchildren. I want my grandkids to see a rhino, and it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them. Okay, now let's talk about some of the words that he said today. His first sentence was, I've got 3 grandchildren.
I've got 3 grandchildren.
A grandchild is your son's child or your daughter's child. You have 1 grandchild or you have 2 or more grandchildren. A more informal way of saying this is grandkid. So you have 1 grandkid or 2 or more grandkids. His next sentence was, I want my grandkids to see a rhino.
I want my grandkids to see a rhino.
Rhino. This is short for rhinoceros. And these animals are actually endangered, so they are in danger. Soon there may not be any rhinos left in the world, so they are endangered. He then says, it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them.
It's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them.
Now this is a very long sentence, so let's take this away and read the important part of the sentence. It's up to us to protect them.
It's up to us to protect them.
Up to you or up to someone. If something is up to you, then you decide, you make it happen. So it's up to you if you want your English to improve. You decide, you make it happen. No one else will make it happen. It's up to you. It's up to us to protect them.
It's up to us to protect them.
To protect. This verb means to keep them safe, so that we don't lose them, so that they are still alive, so that they won't be in danger. Some other examples, people put their phone in a case to protect them. Or people put sunglasses on to protect their eyes from the sun. Here he's saying that it's up to us, we decide if we want to protect the rhinos, if we want to keep them safe. His full sentence was, it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them.
It's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them.
Human beings, or humans, are people. And we use this when we're talking about people and not animals or machines. Here, he's saying that we, us humans, the people on Earth, on this planet, we decide if we want to keep the rhinos safe. Let's listen to him one last time at the normal speed and see how much more you can understand this time around.
I've got 3 grandchildren. I want my grandkids to see a rhino, and it's up to us as human beings to do the best we can to protect them.
Please give me a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell if you'd like to get more of my future videos. Thank you for watching today. Keep practicing, stay safe out there, and I shall see you next time. Bye. I've got... It feels ridiculous wearing sunnies at night.